Managing an e-commerce site can be a full-time job without the right management system. New items are to be added, and discontinued items need to be removed from your site on a regular basis. X2x eCommerce makes it very easy to manage the items on your Shopify site, using your RMH data. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to manage your matrix items on Shopify, from your RMH. Integrating the matrix item is much similar to integrating regular items. Mark one or more child items as available on the website. The parent of every child item marked as available on the website will be automatically uploaded to X2x portal. When uploaded on Shopify, X2x eCommerce integration creates one item with multiple colors and sizes for the customer to order. So, you see, integrating matrix items can make a whole lot of difference. Not only will it save you time, but it will also give your customers more options to choose from. Do you want to see more of how it works? Get in touch with our experts at X2x eCommerce today to see a quick demo.